Hello and welcome to F&SYamaha and Marine in Hanover, Pennsylvania. Northeast premier new Excel dealer. We just took on Excel boats, so we got our first truckload. I'm going to be doing some walkthrough videos. If you're not familiar with us, we've been in business many years. Grandpa started things in the late 40s as a sporting goods store, and Dad's the current owner. Check us out on our website at F&SYamaha.com. Of course, our YouTube channel, F&SYamaha.com. Google listing, Facebook listings. We have a great reputation that we're very proud of. We have people from all over the nation that buy boats from us, and we appreciate it. Anyway, this is a EX183 bass. Excel is an all-welded aluminum built company, one of the higher end quality aluminum boats in the industry. They're completely welded together, no wood, including things like the floor are one solid structure. They're really put together. Aluminum trailer with aluminum wheels, matching spare, swing tongue. Swing tongue's an upgrade I ordered with this one. Composite cover bunks, 4 bunks. Instead of the carpet, for you guys that are going to the brackish water, it works a little better than carpet scenarios. The Excel logo lights up at night. Isn't that cool? Of course, LED lights, side guides. So you see black in color, and standard on all the Excels is spray and liner. So this is similar to a truck bed liner, sprayed everywhere, on top of every lid and every hatch. It makes it for more durable. Also makes it cooler to the touch as well. This has been out in the sun for a few hours, and I can easily put my hand on it. But that texture keeps the temperature down. Kind of cool. Take note to the kind of stepped up rear part of the boat. It's got a 21-inch transom, but it's got a step up there in the back to help with water washing over the back. Yamaha 115 SHO. It will include a stainless prop. We usually include Yamaha props with our packages, which we'll know exactly what that is when we water test. We water test every single boat that we sell because there's certain things that can only be tested in the water, and we'll do that with every one. We also go through every boat very thoroughly here at the shop before we go to the water, because there's certain things that we need to go through here, and not just Excel, but every brand of boat in the industry. It's important for dealers to go through them thoroughly to fix little things and improve upon things. That's just the boating industry. This is these are true pad haul boats, and what I mean by that is the very bottom of the boat, there is a pad that is about 12 inches wide and about 2 feet long. The idea is when the boat's going fast, the only thing in the water is the pad. It makes the boat go faster, and it makes it ride better because not much of the boat is in the water. This was invented many years ago in the fiberglass bass boat world. And then along with the aggressive steps and reverse chine here on the bottom, they'll turn on a dime and are very stable with their 94-inch beam. So Excel offers 2 different thicknesses of metal. They make a .125 and a .160. I'm ordering all of our pad haul boats at .125. It's going to be a common question, and the reason I'm doing that is with a .125, it gets up on the pad much better than the thicker aluminum. And in my opinion, I think the .125 is a better option for these style pad haul boats. But we can order the .160 if you want, but I'd caution you, it just doesn't get up on the pad as well, and kind of defeats the purpose of a pad haul boat. And then we also get jack plates with all of our pad haul boats, whether it be a manual 6-inch jack plate like this one, or hydraulic. We can upgrade if you want. But with a jack plate, it's important to, in a pad haul boat, it's important to get the motor up and away from the boat, and they perform better that way with that jack plate. That's why we do it that way. Baystar hydraulic steering. Aqua traction flooring throughout. You see down the cockpit and up on the decks. That's an upgrade with this one. We did it standard. I'm gonna order all of them that way. Foot pedal tray. That's actually a cover that comes right off, but the foot pedal tray is welded structure into the boat as well. Up front, you see the trim switch, nav light switch, and a 12-volt plug for whatever you're going to plug in there. It is pre-wired with 6-gauge trolling motor wiring. Mesh fold-down seats, or if you would like a butt seat, we'd be glad to exchange whatever you prefer there, but it's standard with these mesh Millennium Marine seats. We ordered most of the boats these days without trolling motor or fish finders, and the reason we do that is because everyone wants something different, and we do a lot of custom installs. We stock almost all popular models from Minn Kota, Humminbird, Garmin, PowerPole, SHO water anchors, MillerTech lithium batteries, you name it. If you check out our YouTube channel of completed customer videos, you'll see as a reference of what we do there. We have so many customers from all over the nation that buy from us, and we try to do completed walkthrough videos. That way you can see their completed product before we meet or before they pick up. We have people from all over the nation that come, whether they're meeting us here to pick up or we're meeting somewhere. I meet a lot of customers halfway throughout the nation, from all over the nation. Tractable rod straps are standard on this model, on either side. This front compartment is kind of cool. They thought this out really well for live imaging, like for live scope. There's a tube that runs right there that goes to the front and makes it real easy to install, like a box for live scope. Even aux with traction down the compartments as well. Middle storage. It does have a shock assist on most of the doors, not all of them, but most of the doors. Middle compartment for cooler, or an trash can as well. 4-person capacity. Rod storage, again with shocks on the lids. Aqua traction down in the bottom. That goes most of the way to the front, so it's a pretty long span there. Big blank dash. I did not measure yet, but I'm going to say probably at least a 10-inch. Fish finder can be flush mount, maybe even possibly 12. I didn't measure that exactly, but tack, fuel gauge, all your switches. Bottom towards us, recirc live well, plus you have standard aerator fill. Courtesy lights, bilge, nav lights, and a horn. So I ordered this boat as an upgrade with green lights package. So underneath both gunnels on both sides are light strips that are green. There are 3 lights down in the cockpit here that light up. And then most of the compartments have lights in as well, part of that package. See big, tall, deluxe seating. More storage here. And underneath each seat has storage. Live well with recirc. Tackle storage on both sides of the rear compartment. On the other side as well. 30-gallon fuel tank. That's one of the nice advantages with this boat versus Express. They have a 30-gallon fuel tank on this boat, which I like. I think that is a nice setup. Of course, shock assist on the lids, 2 of them. Main on-off switch is standard on this boat. There's plenty of room back here for whatever batteries we want to do. Take a quick lap around our lot. We saw a lot of other Express boats, whether it be bay or bass or duck, Bennington pontoons, Smoker Craft V-bottoms, a lot of used boats. We welcome special orders as well. Whether you have questions on this boat or on a special order boat, feel free to hit me up and I'd be glad to work out and explain any scenario to you that you have questions about. Oh, something I forgot to mention. This is a USB plug for phone charger, which is kind of cool. I think for passenger, of course. These are really put together. Even little things like this tray here, and that's another USB plug even for the driver, which is right here. Just take note to how they're put together. I mean, these things are really one solid structure. I appreciate you watching. If you have questions on this boat or any other boat, feel free to contact us. You'll see our contact information at the bottom of the screen. If you don't mind, like this video, subscribe to our channel. It helps other people find us. And check us out at our website at FSYamaha.com. Have a good day.